Hello children, today we are going to study chapter 10 of your English conversation, that is using to, so, because. Okay, can you see this? Using to, so, because. So children, to means what? To means we use to, T-O-O-2, when we are talking about anything which is very much in quantity. Okay, the quantity wise it is very much. Then instead of saying very much, we can say to. Okay, suppose if I have to say that this book is very heavy, so instead of this saying that, we'll say this book is too heavy. Okay, and this so and because, often children means use these words in a wrong way. See, I'll tell you the difference. What is the difference between so and because? We use, first I'll talk about because. See, in because we use when means it tells you the cause of the action. Okay, because tells you the cause of the action, reason of the action, why anything happened. Okay, and this so tells you the, means it tells you the result of the action. Okay, means what happened after that the result came. Okay, so because tells you the cause of the action and so tells you the result of the action. If I give you an example, if I say suppose I won the race. Okay, there are two sentences. Let's take, there are two sentences. I won the race and I worked hard. Okay, I won the race, full stop, I worked hard. Okay, now you have to join these two sentences. So you can join like this: I won the race because I worked hard. Okay, so in this sentence, I won the race because I worked hard. So it tells you the reason why you won the race, because I worked hard. So it is telling you the reason of the action. Okay, it is giving you the cause of the action. Now if I just interchange these two group of words, if I say I worked hard, this is the first sentence. I won the race, this is the second sentence. Now if you have to join these two sentences, what you will say? I worked hard, so I won the race. Now see, it is giving you the result of the action, the result of working hard. Okay, I worked hard, so I won the race. So understand the difference. One is giving you the cause of the action, reason, and the other is giving you the result of the action. So this is the difference between so and because. So let's read these sentences. You will be able to understand in a better way. Why can't the old man walk fast? Now see, it is asking you the cause, the reason of this old man not walking fast. The old man is too weak to walk fast. Now here it is telling you why the old man is not able to walk, because he is too weak. Too weak means he is very weak, so he cannot walk fast. So instead of saying like this, we can also say the old man is too weak to walk fast. Why can't you solve this problem? This problem is too difficult for me to solve. It means that this problem is very difficult. So we'll say this problem is too difficult for me to solve. Why couldn't you finish the paper in time? The paper was too lengthy, so I couldn't finish it in time. Too lengthy means very lengthy. Okay, so I couldn't finish it in time. Why are you late for school today? I am late because I missed my school bus. Okay, what is the cause of being late? It is giving you the cause, the reason, because I missed my school bus. Why can't we go out in the afternoon? It is usually very hot in the afternoon, so we cannot go out. Okay, so what is the result of getting very hot in the afternoon? The result is that we are not able to go out. Okay, so it's usually very hot in the afternoon, so we cannot go out. Why couldn't the child carry the bag? The bag was too heavy for the child to carry. Too heavy means it is telling you how heavy the bag is. It is very heavy. It is too heavy. Why couldn't they lift the box? The box was too heavy for them to lift. Why couldn't you reach the place on time? I couldn't reach the place on time because of a traffic jam. So what was the reason? The cause of not reaching the place on time? The reason was traffic jam. Okay, because of the traffic jam. If we say it in like, if we interchange these group of words, it can be like there was a traffic jam, so I couldn't reach the place on time. Now you get the difference. This was the reason. This was you can say the action, traffic jam, and the result was what? That I couldn't reach the place on time. Why did Deepsha go to sleep early? Deepsha was very tired, so she went off to sleep early. So this was the action, being tired, and what was the result of that? Result of the action, she went off to sleep early. Why couldn't the singer sing today? The singer had a sore throat. Sore throat, children, means when there is a throat ache, there is a pain in the throat. Okay, so he could not sing today. So the action means what is happening? He has sore throat. So what is the result of this? He could not sing today. Why couldn't he stop laughing? The joke he heard was so funny that he couldn't stop laughing. Why did India lose the cricket match today? India lost the match today because the players did not bat properly. So it is giving the reason. Why could Rajesh not give his final exam? Rajesh could not give his final exam because he was sick. Why did he fail in his exams? He failed because he did not study for his exam. What was the reason he failed? Because he did not study for his exams. Okay. So this was the few sentences. These were few sentences which tell you the use of to, so, and because. So go to this chapter, children. Read all the sentences properly. Thank you.